Early days of NASA. 1. Discusses the establishment of NASA in 1958. 2. Mentions the Soviet Union's launch of Sputnik and how it spurred the United States into action. 3. Talks about Project Mercury, the first human spaceflight program in the United States. 4. Discusses the various missions and accomplishments of Project Mercury. Gemini and Apollo programs. 1. Talks about the Gemini program and its importance in testing techniques and technology that would be necessary for the Apollo missions. 2. Discusses the Apollo program and its goal to land humans on the Moon. 3. Mentions the historic moment when Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on the Moon. Space Shuttle program and International Space Station. 1. Discusses the development of the Space Shuttle program and its importance in space exploration. 2. Mentions the construction of the International Space Station and its significance in scientific research. 3. Talks about some of the missions carried out on the Space Shuttle and International Space Station. Scientific discoveries. 1. Talks about the various scientific discoveries made by NASA, including the launch of the Hubble Space Telescope and its impact on our understanding of the universe. 2. Discusses other missions that have contributed to scientific research, such as the Mars rover. Current focus and future plans, 1 minute. 1. Discusses NASA's current focus on exploring Mars and searching for signs of extraterrestrial life. 2. Talks about NASA's plans for the future, including the Artemis program and its goal of returning humans to the Moon by 2024. Conclusion. 1. Reminds viewers of NASA's incredible accomplishments and contributions to space exploration and scientific research. 2. Encourages viewers to continue following NASA's progress and to be inspired by the agency's dedication to exploring beyond our boundaries. Known facts about NASA. NASA has a hidden message on the Mars rover. On the wheels of the rover, there is a unique pattern that spells out JPL, Jet Propulsion Laboratory, in Morse code. The International Space Station is as big as a football field. The station weighs almost 1 million pounds and has more livable space than a 6-bedroom house. NASA uses a vomit comet aircraft to simulate weightlessness for astronauts. The aircraft flies parabolic arcs, creating periods of weightlessness that allow astronauts to practice tasks in a zero-gravity environment. NASA's Kepler telescope discovered more than 2,300 exoplanets. These are planets that orbit stars outside of our own solar system. The first computer program to be woven into fabric was created by NASA. The program was used to create the woven memory ropes used on the Mars rovers. NASA has a dedicated team of astrobiologists who search for signs of extraterrestrial life. The team studies extreme environments on Earth to better understand how life could survive on other planets. NASA's astronaut candidates must have a degree in science, engineering, or mathematics. They also must pass a rigorous physical exam, be a U.S. citizen, and have at least 3 years of related professional experience. NASA's Deep Space Network is a series of antennas located around the world that communicate with spacecraft exploring the solar system. The network is used to receive data and send commands to spacecraft, including the Mars rovers and Voyager probes. NASA has a special office dedicated to planetary defense. The Planetary Defense Coordination Office tracks asteroids and other near-Earth objects that could pose a threat to our planet. NASA has a collection of over 17,000 moon rocks, which were brought back to Earth by the Apollo missions. The rocks are used for scientific research and are considered national treasures.